ChatGPT, please generate 15-minute video script on top 12 wild animals on Earth with interesting unique features for each animal as possible to entertain our children and young viewers. Sure, here's a 15-minute video script on the top 12 wild animals on Earth with interesting and unique features for each animal. Opening scene, an animated jungle with sounds of different animals in the background. The camera pans in to reveal ChatGPT sitting on a log in the middle of the jungle. ChatGPT, hi everyone, welcome to our jungle adventure. Today, we're going to talk about the top 12 wild animals on Earth, and learn about their unique features that make them so special. Cut to an animated video of the first animal, with information about its unique features displayed on the screen. 1. Tiger. The tiger is the largest cat in the world, and has a distinctive orange coat with black stripes. They are excellent swimmers and can swim up to 6 kilometers at a time. Tigers have excellent night vision, and can see up to 6 times better than humans in the dark. Cut to ChatGPT sitting on a tree branch, with an animated video of the second animal playing in the background. 2. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, and have a long trunk that they use for breathing, smelling, and grabbing food. They are very intelligent and have a great memory, and can remember other elephants they have met before. Cut to an animated video of the third animal. 3. Polar bear. Polar bears are the largest carnivores on land and are excellent swimmers. They have a thick layer of blubber to keep them warm in cold temperatures, and their white fur helps them blend in with their surroundings. Cut to ChatGPT standing near a river, with an animated video of the fourth animal. 4. Crocodile. Crocodiles are reptiles and can live up to 70 years in the wild. They have strong jaws and sharp teeth, and can eat almost anything, including other crocodiles. Cut to an animated video of the fifth animal. 5. Gorilla. Gorillas are the largest primates and are very intelligent. They can use tools and communicate with each other through sign language and vocalizations. Cut to ChatGPT standing near a waterfall, with an animated video of the sixth animal. 6. Jaguar. Jaguars are the largest cats in the Americas and have a distinctive spotted coat. They are excellent swimmers and can climb trees easily. Cut to an animated video of the seventh animal. 7. Koala. Koalas are marsupials and are native to Australia. They sleep for up to 20 hours a day and eat eucalyptus leaves. They have sharp claws for climbing trees and are excellent at gripping branches. Cut to ChatGPT sitting on a rock, with an animated video of the eighth animal. 8. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are great apes and are very intelligent. They can use tools and communicate with each other through sign language and vocalizations. Cut to an animated video of the ninth animal. 9. Octopus. Octopuses are mollusks and have 8 arms with suction cups. They can change color and texture to blend in with their surroundings and escape from predators. Cut to ChatGPT standing near a cave, with an animated video of the 10th animal. 10. Bat. Bats are mammals and are the only mammals that can fly. They use echolocation to navigate and hunt for insects in the dark. Cut to an animated video of the 11th animal. 11. Lion. Lions are the only cats that live in groups, called prides. They have a distinctive mane and roar, and are the second largest cats after tigers. Cut to ChatGPT standing near a pond, with an animated video of the 12th animal. 12. Orangutan. Orangutans are great apes and are native to Indonesia and Malaysia. They are very intelligent and can use tools to solve problems. They have a distinctive red coat and long arms, which they use to swing through trees. ChatGPT, wow, those are some amazing animals, with so many unique and interesting features. I hope you all enjoyed learning about them today. Closing scene, the camera pans out to show ChatGPT sitting on the log again, with the animated jungle and sounds of different animals in the background. ChatGPT, thanks for joining me on this jungle adventure. Until next time, keep exploring and learning about the amazing world around us.